welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, special welcome to you. Today we're going to be reviewing some Allen Iverson question mids. So I told you guys I had my eyes on these, and my eyes were definitely on them because I went back and got them. So yeah, these are in the signature box, which is kind of cool. At least I think that's what the box is called. It has the question paper, like the little Q question symbol. And when you look at these shoes, they look like this. These are the Question Mid Denver Nuggets shoes. And we're just going to pull one out and go over it, and then I'll show you what they look like side by side, because there are no differences in these specific shoes. Okay, so these are the Question Mid Denver Nuggets shoes for this year. They had a pair out like this in 2007. I actually bought 2 of the Denver Nuggets pairs back in 2007 for my fiance, and he, believe it or not, they are in the worst shape I think I've ever seen a pair of shoes in, but he still has the pair of these. The only difference between them is there's a little more yellow here and there, like the Reebok symbol's yellow, and the front is patent leather instead of regular leather. So we'll start here, back at the back of the outer side. So we have this lined leather right here. This is more of like a pebbled leather, like you can see it plain as day, but it's more of a pebbled leather than this is. You come down, you have this little piece on here for the Reebok symbol. The Reebok symbol is all baby blue. And then you have these little cutouts with the little tab that comes out. It says Reebok. If you go down and look, each one spells Reebok. You have this hexalite right here. It is fake hexalite, but it is hexalite nonetheless. Like, that's what it's supposed to be. The honeycomb look. This reminds me kind of like the white ices. I think the honeycomb was a little more bluish on the white ices, but that's kind of what these remind me of. But then you have the white around it, the outsole coming up, and you can see the blue peeking up under the sides. So that comes around to the front where we have this blue leather toe. And I thought this was actually suede until I brought these home today. Because I don't even try my shoes on in the stores anymore. With Allen Iverson shoes, I don't really have to. So we're going to flip this around to the front. The outsole comes up. It is done in this really beautiful baby blue. And then the tongue goes up, and it's that mesh tongue that most questions have. That's really, really far apart, like the netting. And then we have the regular leather piece at the top where it goes over, comes up, goes over, comes up, goes over. And then you have the 2 circles with the Reebok symbol sewn in the middle in light blue. Let me pull out what's inside and do my best to show you guys what the inside looks like. I'm not sure oh, I do see what it is. Allen Iverson is actually inside my shoe. I don't know if you can see like his chains and stuff right there, but he's in there. And then there's a question symbol right there. So, yeah. Now we're going to flip it to the inside of the shoe. The inside of the shoe, other than these having Reebok symbols on them and not saying Reebok, this side of the shoe is exactly the same as the other side of the shoe. There's no difference whatsoever. In the answer 4s and a few of the other pair of answers, you have the little DMX tag, but you don't have a difference on this pair, at least. Some pairs, there are color variations. I mean, there's a million pairs of his shoes out there, so you can never compare one to the other, really. I mean, you can, but it's kind of confusing because there's so many variations of everything, and over the past 25 years, it's just gotten crazier and crazier. So anyway, we go around to the back and we're at this striped white pebbled leather. We have the same type of baby blue pebbled leather on top with the question symbol and the number 3. Number 3 is Allen Iverson's I almost said baseball, basketball number. Just in case you didn't know, I do have a normal crew that watches my videos, and they are makeup lovers, and they don't always know what some of this stuff means. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up why I was explaining everything. But it is surrounded in yellow leather, and then when we flip these over, there is a little hexalite symbol here with some of that honeycomb hexalite right there. Right here, it says non-marking outsole. And then we have the Reebok and the Reebok symbol down the middle. So that is the right shoe in a nutshell. And let me flip these over and look real quick, just in case you guys are curious and need the style code for these. It is GW8854. And this is what these shoes look like together. I got the last pair that they had, and if you guys look at the back of this one, it's not dirty, but it's not as bright white as this one because people tried it on. So what I'm going to do is think about this for a day or two, and I might actually return these. But I love them so much that I don't know if I can. Because, like, I'm not going to find these for a better deal than I got them. I did get them at a discounted price. I normally buy all my shoes the day they drop from Reebok. But lately, I've been a little poor and haven't had that luxury. But I found a couple pairs of Iversons locally, which normally they're really hard to find around here. And I found them for really good deals. So I'm glad that I was blessed to find some shoes locally at a discount. So that's awesome. Let me know what you guys think of these Denver Nuggets question mids. I'm really curious to see what you guys think. I think these shoes are fire. But it's really, really hard for me because I don't think there's a pair of shoes in my collection that I don't think are fire. And my collection's getting kind of big. I'm going to, as soon as it gets warm enough out, I'm going to take every pair of Iversons that is in my household, which is a lot, and I'm going to take them out to the driveway. I'm going to have somebody sit out there with me so that they're never alone, because I would have thousands and thousands of dollars in Iversons in my front, like, driveway. So can't do that. But I want to do a collection video. I really do. I think that would be so much fun. I'll try on shoes throughout the video. I'll show you guys everything I have. I'll show you guys matching pairs that me and my fiance have the same exact shoes. There's just so much cool stuff to the collection of mine and my fiance's shoes. But anyway, I'm going to get ready to go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love my shoe peeps, as always. I love you guys so much for supporting my channel. I know I'm not exactly your everyday type of shoe channel, but when it comes to Iversons, I'm here for it. So let me know what you guys think of these shoes and this drop, and I will talk to you soon. I don't know how soon. I'm gonna go on vacation in a few weeks probably, so maybe I'll pick up a pair of shoes while I'm on vacation. And there's actually a Reebok outlet down there, so maybe I'll pick up a really fire pair while I'm down on vacation. So anyway, I love you guys and appreciate each and every one of you, wherever you guys are, whatever time of day it is. I hope you're having a great one, and I'll talk to you soon. Love you guys. Bye.